Betty's got her basket. What are you cooking today?
Well, Kira and Griddle Nation, I have these gorgeous eggplants. So we're making some eggplant chips, which are one of my favorites. They're a family style favorite. Although I'm not sure if Kira really likes them, but I'm determined to make her like these just as much as I do. So join me while I teach you guys how to make these eggplant chips served with a side of marinara or marinade for dipping. Tell me when you're good. Oh my god, Kira, I'm doing it.
Yeah, you need a third one.
I know. Okay, when it comes to eggplant on your Blackstone, this is the same technique for those dishes like eggplant parm that I showed you guys before, eggplant stacks where we stack them up. Do you remember that, Kira, where we do stacks of eggplant and then mozzarella and then tomato and basil?
Oh, yeah.
And they are so good. I think everybody loves those, a little balsamic glaze over the top. So let's get these sliced up and start to dredge them so that we can start frying them. And of course, now that it's time to film this for you guys, cue the neighbor to start cutting the grass.
Every single time.
Always, Kira. So actually, before we get to slicing our eggplant, let's set up our dredging stations into 3 separate shallow bowls. I'm gonna first add in some flour and some garlic powder to season it up. In my second bowl, I'll add a few eggs and then some of our Locatelli Pecorino Romano cheese. You could use Parmesan cheese, any cheese that you want. Grate some in with your eggs to add that nutty salty flavor. And then into our third bowl, we will add in our breadcrumbs. Now these breadcrumbs are already seasoned with Pecorino Romano cheese. You could add cheese to your breadcrumbs if they don't already have it, or if you just want extra cheese. And now we're gonna slice our eggplant, removing the top and the bottom. We'll discard those. And now when it comes to the skin on an eggplant, it's completely up to you whether or not you want to remove the skin. I like it both ways, so I'm going to cut off every other inch or so all the way around the outside to give it a nice little pattern and leave a little pop of that purple so that it shows through so people know that this is eggplant. And I almost forgot, let's season this up with the Blackstone Tutto Italiano seasoning. Give it a quick little mix, and now it's time to coat these. So into the flour, shaking off any excess, and then into our eggs, letting any of that extra egg drip off, and then into our breadcrumbs. I want to make sure to pat on this breadcrumb mixture so that it sticks very well using my hand. And once we are done with all of our eggplant, we can start shallow frying these. So we'll turn our Blackstone on to medium heat. I'm going to place a cooling rack on one side. This side I can turn off or leave on low. Then we'll drizzle down a little bit of our oil. I'm going with sunflower oil today. Anything from olive oil or any neutral oil of your choice is perfect for this. We'll place down our breaded eggplant and let them begin to fry. Low and slow. You don't want to burn these. The lower the better. You can always cook them longer, but you cannot take these off and unburn them if you burn them. So while your eggplants are shallow frying, you want to make sure that your griddle surface doesn't dry out. If it does, drizzle on a little bit more oil and you're good to go. After about 2 minutes, give them a flip. Another 2 to 3 minutes and these are done. Ready to pull off and plate up. We're serving them alongside some of our marinara for dipping, which is so delicious. Rayo's is one of my favorite brands if I'm not making my own.
Wait, are you gonna use your mom?
Yes, I am. You know I am. Extra cheese on top, a little extra post dust of our Tutto Italiano, and these are ready to dive in. And Kira, you are having first taste, so here you go, my love.
Thank you.
Tell me what you think. Oh, I forgot to give you sauce.
That's actually good.
Ah! So there, my job is done then.
Surprising.
Aren't they good?
It's like a healthy chip.
That's right. You get the deep fried goodiness from shallow frying these. It's a veggie, they're healthy, and they're cheesy, which is so good. I could snack on these all day, so now you guys have to go make them. So when you do, post a picture. You know the rules. Tag Blackstone products and tag me, Blackstone. Betty, I cannot wait to see who is making these and enjoying them. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. Kira's behind the camera. Thanks for helping me today, Kira. I'm so glad. If I can turn her on to eggplant, I think I can turn anybody on to eggplant.
think that's true.
Okay, one more thing. Don't forget to go shop griddlenation.com and hit the bell on the Blackstone Griddles YouTube channel. You don't want to miss any of this fun. We got a lot of fun coming up this summer. Cheers, guys. You hear that crunch? Do you hear that crunch? Now, while your eggplants are shallow frying, if your griddle surface, these birds, Kira, I don't know what to do about them. We've waited for spring to come, and now it's here, and everybody's out cutting grass. There's birds, there's trucks driving by, there's school buses. This is the life of a mom.
Guess who?